Hey everybody, I'm kicking my weekend off. So, Indian, got a scrub brake set on there. I've also got a nice sissy bar started up. Getting it all done here. I'm still waiting on my front suspension to come in on that. Since I didn't have a foot peg, the other day I shoved an old broken ratchet end in it and it worked for a little while. But got scrub brake all set up and ready to go. Coming along. So the bird, she runs, she's all hooked up, everything's done. I still need to put a washer on top because this bolt wiggles a little bit. I need to tighten it up. I put 2 clumps of slime in it. She's holding air now. The only thing is, I need a chain tensioner. And yeah, it didn't come in yet. So, just waiting on packages. I don't know if I'll get a nice Easter ride or not, but kind of what I'm tinkering with. Getting ready to load the Indian up here in a little bit and take it over and start welding on it. So have a good weekend, guys. Happy Easter.